Is Netflix acting glitchy on your Google TV? Freezing, lagging, or not playing smoothly? This usually happens because of corrupted app cache, slow or unstable internet, or an outdated app/software version. This video will show you 3 amazing solutions to help resolve the problem. So let's begin. Solution 1. Clear Netflix cache and data. Go to your Google TV home menu. Now use the remote to navigate to the settings icon. Open it. Go to apps. Now look for Netflix and find it from here. Once inside, look for the clear cache option. Select it and then confirm your choice. Check if that fixes the problem. If not, you can select clear data and confirm your choice. But remember, this will completely reset your Netflix, so you'll be logged out. You will need to log back in with your password again. Solution 2. Check internet speed. Run a quick speed test on your phone. Get your smartphone, then open a browser. Search fast.com. In this site, see if you have enough net speed. Netflix needs at least 5 megabytes per second for HD and 16 megabytes per second for 4K. You can restart your Google TV and router to refresh the connection. A fresh connection usually clears playback hiccups. Solution 3. Update Netflix. Go to your home menu, then navigate to the apps section. Select Google Play Store from here. Now go to the search bar. Search for Netflix using the on-screen keyboard. Select Netflix from the search results. If you have any available updates for your Netflix, you will see an option. Make sure to update Netflix to the latest version. You can also update your TV software. For that, go back to your TV home menu with the home button of your remote. Navigate to the settings icon. Click on it. Scroll down to device preferences and then go to about. From here, click on system update. If you have any updates available, you can check from here and update your TV. Updating your TV makes sure you get to access all the latest app versions, including Netflix. Hopefully at this point, your issue is fixed. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Google TV fixes. And I'll see you in the next video.